Hello everyone, I am Praveen Krishna from the Sport Formula and I welcome you to the another episode of DRS and Engineers Review. On this episode, we are going to talk about four teams in one episode. We are going to talk about RCB, Rajasthan Royals, Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders. And at this stage, it's very crucial for almost all the teams to win all the matches and find the right combination. They only have two matches left, and what these teams should look at, what combination should they look at, and what's going wrong with the current combination.
So
Yes, Bhavik.
if you look at the first team, we let's start with RCB.
Sure.
What we saw in the game against Mumbai Indians, that was some exciting contest. विराट कोहली
Yeah.
स्लेज कर रहे सूर्य कुमार यादव को, सूर्य कुमार उनका
Yeah, that
वापस
was
दे रहे हैं, बहुत ही बैक फुट पंच, ओवर कवर्स फॉर सिक्स, मतलब सूर्य कुमार वाज एट हिज बेस्ट.
yeah,
और राइट कल इंडिया का टूर, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर का अनाउंस होता है टीम, और आज सूर्य कुमार यादव परफॉर्म करते हैं इतना अच्छा.
yeah.
So that is also a good comeback from Surya Kumar
So
Yadav.
he had to prove that
Yeah.
that he had to prove himself. Ki bhai,
Yes,
main,
exactly.
yeah,
And
exactly.
plus he also won the game against RCB, against Virat Kohli. So that proves point
Yeah.
very much. But now if RCB really need to qualify, उनको बाकी के दोनों गेम में से एक गेम तो कंपलसरी जीतना ही पड़ेगा,
Yeah.
क्योंकि वरना बाकी नीचे पॉइंट्स टेबल काफी टाइट है. और रिमेनिंग फिक्सचर्स को देखते हुए लग रहा है कि अगर आरसीबी एक गेम नहीं जीतता है तो उनका बहुत
Yeah.
ज्यादा चांस है कि वो क्वालिफाई नहीं हो.
And they might be looking at the top two spot,
Yeah,
being
yeah.
at the current position in the
Yes.
points table. They might be looking to win both the matches, and there has been frequent changes in the playing 11 also. Even the last match had changes. What do you think
Yeah.
about that, Vikyar?
Last match, I think Kohli did too many changes. If Navdeep Saini was out, he could have bought in a like-for-like replacement in Umesh Yadav. But Umesh Yadav is, he has been a little inconsistent with his length, and he was a bit expensive also in the start. So if not Umesh Yadav, they should have dropped Finch. They should have taken an extra batsman, and they should have retained Moeen Ali, because I know Joshua Philippe played a really good innings yesterday, but
Yeah.
looking at the tournament, nearing the business end, and I think Moeen Ali is very important in that middle order, because RCB's batting lineup ends at 4. After AB de Villiers, there's no one who can, if you compare it with Mumbai, who they played
Yeah.
against yesterday. There's Pollard, there's Hardik, there's Kunal. But in RCB, after AB de Villiers, there's no one.
Yeah.
So that's why you
Exactly.
need someone like a Moeen Ali who will give you overs and will also bat when the situation is, when he is needed to. And also, now the pitches in UAE are slowing down. You can see how Chahal
So
and Washington
spinners
Sundar are
might
bowling.
come handy. Yeah.
And Moeen Ali is also, he might not be in that level of Chahal, but obviously he's a very experienced campaigner. So he should have been in the team.
Exactly. Bhavik, do you want to add any points to it?
Also, Moeen Ali should have played the match against Mumbai Indians, because Mumbai Indians are playing four left-handers in the team, and if you want to
Yeah.
get the Deacock and Ishan Kishan out early on, then you have to play off spinner, because Moeen Ali also dips the ball very nice. He has good spin. He can trouble Deacock and Ishan Kishan. I think that was brainless to drop Moeen Ali.
Yeah. And inclusion of Shivam Dubey also, I think that's like he hasn't been given a lot of overs to bowl, and his batting also hasn't been that great till now. So that could be a change in Shivam Dubey's position,
Uh,
like
I
inclusion
think
in the playing 11.
to tell you bluntly, I don't think Shivam Dubey is a good bowler. He might slip in an over or two, but I don't think, he's a player who should bowl in this such a huge international league, because I don't think he hits the deck very well, nor does he bowl very good lengths. Yes, sometimes he'll get you wickets, because the other bowlers have also created pressure. So, Kohli can slip in an over or two from him, but even his batting, very wayward. You don't understand what he's doing. Sometimes he'll have that small cameo. If RCB loses their top four very quickly, you can't expect Shivam Dubey to build the innings or Washington Sundar to stay with him. These
Yeah.
players are players who can play cameos. They can't build the innings. And that's why I'll stress on that point again. That's why Mohan Ali is needed. Because he can build it, can build those innings, and he can also hit the long shot.
आरसीबी के पास काफी कैमियो प्लेयर्स है, इवन क्रिस मॉरिस, इंक्लूजन ऑफ क्रिस मॉरिस, वो भी आके काफी अच्छा हिट करता है. He's a very reliable bowler too. He has picked a lot of wickets in 5 or 6 matches. I think he has
Yes.
picked 9 to 10 wickets. So that's also a big achievement. So yeah, inclusion of Moeen Ali, वो एक important turnout हो सकता था आरसीबी के लिए against Mumbai Indians.
I'm also
Talking
surprised
about
by the
other teams,
exclusion.
yeah,
Uh, I'm also surprised by the exclusion of Udana. It wasn't that he was bowling bad.
yeah.
He was bowling really good.
Udana का exclusion भी
And in these pitches, Udana, he's wonderful. If someone like a Pollard, like yesterday, came and he took a wicket of AB de Villiers, even Udana, he has the same change of pace. He's the same type of bowler. He could have been very, very useful. And I didn't understand one more thing, that why didn't Kohli give Siraj the new over? In the
Yes.
same
Exactly.
ground last
Yes.
time, Siraj bowled 2 back-to-back maidens, taking 3 wickets. So, and he started with Morris, which was a very defensive move. He should have gone with Siraj and Dale Steyn.
Yes.
And talking about other teams, Sunrisers Hyderabad, they are also struggling to go to the top 4. उनके भी टीम में recently हमने changes देखे हैं. Surprisingly, Bairstow was dropped and Saha played a wonderful innings. And that also, like, एक question mark था कि साहा क्यों है अभी भी टीम में as a wicket keeper. तो उसने वो प्रूव कर लिया उसके उस इनिंग्स से, लाइक मैं T20 भी खेल सकता हूँ, आई एम नॉट ओनली अ टेस्ट प्लेयर. तो या दैट वाज अ ग्रेट इनिंग्स टू वॉच. Bhavik, your points on that?
Okay. Like dropping someone like Bairstow and taking in someone like Wriddhiman Shah, that was a bold move from David Warner. And the intent was pretty clear from both of them. आके तुरंत मारो, खत्म करो. That was the, like, जो Bairstow और Warner करना चाहते थे, वही Warner और साहा ने किया. Warner मतलब अपने बेस्ट पे थे. राबाडा को, पर्पल कैप होल्डर को आप 25 रन के लिए मारते हो एक ओवर में, पावर प्ले में. That is a good comeback.
Rabada
Yes.
last 26 matches
Yes,
में विकेट
exactly.
लिया था,
हाँ,
and he was wicketless and also conceded 54 runs. That was a, like, that's something to note at.
उनका प्रीवियस वर्स्ट फिगर्स भी सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के सामने ही था. तभी भी बेयरस्टो और वार्नर ने उनको बहुत मारा था. काफी बोल्ड मूव था और अच्छा मूव था. और उन्होंने शाहबाज नदीम को सेकंड ओवर ही दिया और उनको विकेट भी मिला. तो वो काफी अच्छे चेंजेस थे वार्नर के. उन्होंने अपने बॉलर्स काफी अच्छे से रोटेट किए. दैट वाज वेरी नाइस मैच फॉर सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद. और उनको, इफ दे वांट टू क्वालिफाई, दे नीड टू विन both of the matches against Mumbai Indians and the Royal Challengers Bangalore. They need to win by margin. One of the match they need to win by margin minimum.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगता है कि बेस्टो वापस आएगा, क्योंकि शाह ने वापस उसका ग्रॉइन इंजरी हो गया.
Injury.
I don't know how serious it is. वो खेल पाएगा कि नहीं नेक्स्ट मैच, I don't know. But if Shah is not there, then Besto has, he should definitely come in. But Saha, the innings that he played the other day with Warner was like one of the best bowling attacks. They were facing one of the best bowling attacks. Nokia is bowling, Rabada is bowling. Both of them are in top form. And they were toying with the bowling. They were toying with Nokia. They were toying with Rabada. That's why Sunrisers.
ऐसे लग रहा था कि शारजा में मैच हो रहा था, पता?
हाँ. Even they have picked up that momentum. How Punjab has picked up suddenly. They have also picked up this momentum. But their next 2 matches are very, very tough. They're against the top 2 teams of this table for this tournament.
And also, not to forget the innings played by Manish Pandey. क्योंकि जब foundation was
Yeah.
set for Manish Pandey and Kane Williamson to end on a good note, and Manish Pandey played a good
Uh,
note. He
so
provided
Manish
that
Pandey
finish.
is really, yeah, he's really important now in these two games against Bombay and Bangalore, because if Besto comes back in and Besto is not in form, so he and Williamson have to,
Step up.
settle things down for Sunrisers in the middle overs, so that they can those finishers like. But even Sunrisers do not have those kind of finishers. They have Vijay Shankar, they have Deepak Huda. I don't know. They have the finishing section of the
Deepak
team is.
Huda is in Kings
Punjab.
11 Punjab. I think.
Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's
Vijay
close.
Shankar and Rashid Khan is a good finisher. He can
Yeah.
tonk the ball.
They
but-
have Jason Holder now, so yeah.
Oh yeah. I forgot
But
about it.
जेसन होल्डर
But
को
I
बहुत
don't-
नीचे भेज रहे वो. मतलब he is not trying Jason Holder up the innings.
Yeah.
He's just don't want Jason Holder to finish the innings. He's sending Williamson. He's sending Vijay
Holder
Shankar.
can build up an innings
Yeah,
also. It's not
exactly.
just a cameo player.
But then if Shah is injured, who do you think will open? Because they can't take out Holder then. If Destin needs to come in, they need to take out one foreigner.
Kane Williamson has to sit. That's the only option.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think they should just open with Kane. Just go for it. They can add
That's also possible.
they can add an Indian batsman in the middle order.
Priyam Garg can come back in.
Yeah. Indian batsman will come back.
We have to wait and see what the management and captain thinks about it.
Rashid Khan and Natarajan, they will be the two crucial bowlers for Sunrisers if they are to win the game. Rashid Khan builds the pressure. Natarajan with his Yorkers, he just squeezes the runs in the middle overs. And he also takes wickets in the
Sandeep Sharma.
Yeah.
Isn't Sandeep Sharma also in the team?
Yeah.
His records against Mumbai is really good. So even he'll be very good.
But Rohit Sharma will be back.
For the match against Mumbai, yeah.
Rohit Sharma will be back.
Hopefully, we
If
would
he's
hope
back
to
in
see
this
him in
IPL,
action
then
soon.
It's a huge statement.
Yes.
Yeah, his plays, like he's been missed a lot in the matches. I can see that a spot being missed by when he's not in the team.
Even if you see in the match against RCB, during the strategic timeout, he himself came to talk with his batsmen. So that is what Rohit Sharma is, a kind of captain. He doesn't like to sit out. He wants to go there and talk with everything.
And the fact that he has come onto the field, he's working properly. So it obviously isn't that much of a serious hamstring injury. But I don't know this communication gap between, we'll leave this for the selection ka topic. Let's focus on Punjab. Should we focus on Punjab?
I think talking about Sunrisers, almost on the same position, we have Rajasthan Royals also. Almost, they have the same points like Sunrisers, but the net run rate is way too low than them. So they need to struggle more than Hyderabad to get into the playoffs.
Well, Rajasthan Royals, that was a good chase against Mumbai Indians at Abu Dhabi. Like, you are set a target of 195 after leaking 52 runs in last 2 overs, 54 runs in last 2 overs.
Yeah.
And to come back from that, gain the momentum and finish the inning. That was a brilliant chase. Ben Stokes was again at his best. And
Ben Stokes.
Steve Smith, Ben Stokes के साथ अड़े रहे opening में, that move finally came off. And at the right time. Even Sanju Samson, do not forget Sanju Samson's innings. He also scored 50 and ensured that Stokes does not have to do everything on his own. He was well supported by Sanju Samson. That was sheer power from Sanju Samson in that innings. Hitting 2 bigger.
Stokes proved that why he's the best all-rounder, Sheer class. And hitting Pattinson, Bolt, Bumrah.
Everyone.
Amazing.
That was clear intent to go out and beat everyone, beat anyone.
Do you think
But
Rajasthan lack
Rajasthan-
in a quality spin bowling?
Yes,
Who are
because
the spinners right now?
Shreyas Gopal and Riyan Parag. But Riyan Parag is not bowling, so only Shreyas Gopal.
And also
and
Tewatia.
Tewatia. Oh, star player. No,
Gopal
like
is good. Gopal is
Gopal
very
is good, but Tewatia is not able to support Gopal that way. So,
No, Tewatia has been good in the last 2-3 matches.
but Yeah, but he's not able to pick wickets. Gopal is the main wicket taker for Rajasthan Royals.
But Rajasthan, you never know. Tewata can just make them go into the playoffs.
Yeah,
It's
he
been
could
that
be
kind of
that
a season
X
for him.
factor.
They also have a match against Kings 11 Punjab.
That's something to watch out for.
But what Rajasthan Royals, they messed up in the start is some of the decisions that Steve Smith took and the way he's batting right now. It's horrible. I feel
It's
I I
really
think the
horrible.
major thing that concerned Rajasthan was the opening pair. I think Uttapa, especially Uttapa in the middle order, didn't seem right. His natural
Yeah.
he
position is
isn't.
opener.
Yes.
So as soon as his position was changed, we could see the difference in his approach. There was a lot of difference in his approach to the batting. So I
You
think
need to
that
understand Uttapa is old. You can't put him in the middle order. That's the time you take quick singles and all. If it if you put him in the power play as an opener, he'll get his bounce, he'll get his occasional boundaries, and that's where he's best suited at. Yes, Stokes did a good innings that day, mind-blowing innings, but I still feel that Butler should come at the opening slot because that's where his position is.
Uttapa is among the only three Indians who won orange cap. So yeah, obviously he is a player that has capabilities.
Yeah.
So yeah, and the other team that we are going to talk about is KKR. What do you want to say about its combinations, player
Okay. So
combinations?
KKR, they have tried everyone, literally everyone in the team. They have tried Tom Benton at top. They have tried Tom Benton in the middle order. They have tried Sunil Narayan at the top. They have tried Sunil Narayan in the middle order. And now Nitish Rana is opening in place of Tripathi. So I literally don't understand what is Brendan McCallum thinking about his batting order, because he's rotating his batsmen every now and then already. And also, Ian Morgan, World Cup winning captain, he has played at number four throughout his career, and now he's coming at number 5 below Dinesh Karthik. I don't know
Yeah,
why
and
Morgan
Dinesh
is
Karthik is not finding his groove
absent.
in this season. So
The
I don't think
biggest
that's
villain of
smart.
KKR is KKR themselves
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
they are just watching up their batting lineup. They are making unnecessary changes in their playing 11, and it has now they are themselves confused what to do. They have no idea. They are sometimes opening with Nitish
They
Rana.
were in a
He
safe
is a good.
position in the mid tournament,
Yes, yes,
in
yes,
the top
yes.
Yeah,
four. They were in the now they put themselves in that red zone of question mark whether they will qualify or not.
They got
It's
their bowling combination pretty good, but where they lost was Sunil Narayan. He was suspended for his bowling action, but
he was
yeah,
warned for his bowling
he
action.
was
Yeah,
sorry, he was warned for his bowling action, but then he
yeah,
came with his change in action, and that he's literally struggling to pick wickets. He hasn't picked up a
yeah.
wicket after that. So no doubt he's bowling economical spell, but then Sunil Narayan was a wicket taker for Kolkata Knight Riders at one time. So that is the reason why they are playing Varun Chakravarti.
I think the thing why they are confused is that they during the start of the season, even before the IPL, they tried to present themselves as we are going to stick with Dinesh Karthik. He's our Indian player. We are going to show faith in him. But mid-season, even they understood. Now there were reports that Dinesh Karthik only gave up captaincy, but everyone here knows that there was pressure. When you have a World Cup winning captain in your team, you know, he will get the captaincy. But it was, Morgan should have captained before the season started. When you when you shift the captaincy mid-season, the confidence of other players also dips down. So which wasn't very good for Kolkata. They might be
Or
winning some odd matches here and there, but they have themselves to blame for the position in the table.
और दिनेश कार्तिक का एक्सक्यूज ये था व्हेन ही ड्रॉप द कैप्टनसी कि उसको बैटिंग परफॉर्मेंस में इंप्रूव करनी थी बट एक्सेप्ट वन इनिंग्स there was an innings except that innings we couldn't see any
और
batting.
ऐसा नहीं उसको मौका नहीं मिला. There were,
बहुत
I
मौके
guess, 2 to 3 occasions where KKR lost 3 quick wickets.
yes
Morgan and
Exactly
Dinesh
as
Karthik had
Bhavik told, he was pushed up the order. That's obviously so
he
shows
had
that he
he had
was doing that.
he had 2 to 3 occasions to prove that मैं batting में concentrate कर रहा हूँ and that now I'll show it to you. But nothing, absolutely nothing.
If you look at Dinesh Karthik, Mumbai Indians and RCB, दोनों में KKR lost the top order and he was in the middle inside 6 overs और उन्होंने दोनों मैच में अपना विकेट लेग स्पिनर के सामने खो दिया. That tells you why he's struggling against leg spinner. वो रीड ही नहीं कर पाता लेग स्पिन. तो मुझे भी लगता है कि in the game against CSK he's going to get out Imran Tahir.
Finally, we can see him, I guess.
Oh no. Let's see what Dinesh Karthik
See,
does now.
CSK is basically in this IPL now to spoil the things for the other team.
Yeah, at least they have a role. At least we can assign a role to.
Even if they are not in the playoffs, they are going to decide who will go into the playoffs.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, talking about playoffs, we only have 2 matches each for the team. So, where are the teams? Let's discuss on that. Where the team stands, what are the possibilities of them getting in? Yeah, Vikat, you want to add some point?
Yeah, I know. Earlier also I wanted to talk about Punjab. Now you raised the playoff issue. I'm really excited to see Punjab because
Same.
they have shown real character in the last 5 matches. They are slowly, they are looking like a proper team with proper balance. You have Jordan, you have with Jordan, you have at the top of the order. Gale has come back at number 3, and
Murugan
Shami
Ashwin's
is
inclusion,
bowling.
they have kept faith in him.
Shami is bowling. I don't know how to
He's
explain.
firing. He's not bowling actually. Like that's something good to watch. पंजाब के मुझे एक ही कंसर्न है जो हो सकता है कि सिर्फ मेरा पर्सनल कंसर्न हो कि I personally think exclusion of Mayank Agarwal had a chance to put Gale in the opening and Mandeep in one down because Gale ओपनर है लाइक ही कैन एक्सप्लोड. वो अभी तक गेल स्टॉर्म नहीं आया. हमने जो गेल को देखा है ना, he has just played a cameo 20-30 balls and
I
yeah,
think they
so
are fairly
I think
confident. Yeah, I think they're fairly confident of Mayank returning.
Yes.
That's why they don't want to experiment too much on Gale's position. I think he has been told कि तू नंबर 3 पे ही खेलने वाला है. तो फालतू का experimentation करके
okay,
will spoil Mandeep's form as
Yeah.
well as Gale's form.
And also अगर गेल 3 पे खेलता है तो गेल
Yeah.
at 3, Puran at 4, Maxwell at 5. That is a perfect middle order as per Kings 11 Punjab. Because even if there was KL Rahul, तो गेल और मनदीप सिंह है. गेल, मनदीप सिंह, निकोलस पुरान, मैक्सवेल, वो ये सब मिलके संभाल सकते हैं गेम. Because गेल at number 3 is itself a big impact player. वो कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकता है वो आदमी.
Yeah.
मतलब लिटरली किसी को भी वो मार सकता है. तो गेल at 3 is a
So
good option.
हम playoffs और उसके possibilities के बारे में बात करते हैं. We only have 2 matches and पूरा लीग खत्म होने को आ रहा है प्लेऑफ से पहले. ट्यूसडे तक ही है लीग. So what are the chances? Already we have Mumbai qualified from yesterday's match against RCB. RCB के 2 मैचेस में से उनको एक जीतने पड़ेंगे. And Delhi Capital, they were in the top position. They were in that very safe position. Now even they are in a trouble. वो थर्ड में आ गए. उनको भी एक मैच जीतना पड़ेगा 2 में से. और अभी हमारे पास सनराइजर्स है, राजस्थान है. They need a lot of things to turn to that side. So what are those possibilities
Okay,
that the
so
team need? Bhavik?
it's clear कि अगर किंग्स 11 पंजाब फ्राइडे और संडे को मैच जीतते हैं तो बाकी के 4 टीम्स आर गोइंग बैक. That's clear. Because if Kings 11 Punjab win, everyone game is it's all done. They are through. And for Delhi Daredevils and RCB, if both of them win 1 matches each in the remaining 2, both the teams are through to the playoffs. Then that will be fight for just the second and the third spot. That's it. But I am sure that both of the teams will be eyeing for the second spot because even if you lose, you get a second chance to prove yourself again and then go to the finals. So yes, Kings 11 2 might opt for the second spot because they are at 12 currently, and if they win both the games and RCB and DC lose, then on the basis of net run rate, if they win by a margin, then Kings 11 Punjab can go to the second spot. So they need to win a game by a margin. That's it.
Delhi Capitals, they were looking like one of the strongest teams, but the batting has been so shoddy. In spite of the brilliant bowling, the batting has not helped them at all. And if they want to win the next two matches, they need to really do something about their batting. I don't know what Pant is doing. Iyer also has suddenly lost his touch. Dhawan was the only one scoring, but he also has two failures. Rahane, Prithvi Shaw, that things that they have done. कभी रहाणे खेलेगा कभी पृथ्वी शॉ खेलेगा. I think
Also,
Delhi's batting has gone for a toss.
also Shreyas Iyer was seen to bat at number 7. That was a brainless move. I don't know why he did that.
Yeah.
Shimron Hetmeyer should be batting at 4, Pant at 5, and Shreyas Iyer should come at 3. That was clear. But उसने पूरा उथल पाथल कर दिया बैटिंग और रिजल्ट हार गए वापस कोलैप्स.
So, what matches against whom do KKR have their matches, and do you think they have a chance to?
KKR have their matches against Chennai Super Kings, and their last match is, if I'm not wrong, it's against Rajasthan Royals. Yeah. And both of and
Okay.
advantage ये है कि उनका दोनों games दुबई में ही है, तो they know the ground. मतलब आबू धाबी उनका था, फोर्ट्रेस था, मतलब बोलने को, बाकी फोर्ट्रेस तो मुंबई इंडियंस का है, पर they have played 8 games at Abu Dhabi. But and considering उनके लास्ट दोनों गेम्स दुबई में है, तो या मतलब वो जीत भी सकते हैं. उनको एक ही ग्राउंड पे खेलना है, बार-बार चेंज नहीं करना.
So we are gonna see a lot of elimination matches in the coming days. A lot of crucial matches.
All the upcoming matches are going to be knockout matches.
Yeah. We have reached that stage because each and every match can decide the fortune for any of the team. There are only Mumbai has been qualified. बाकी सबका कुछ पक्का नहीं है. Net run rate से भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है.
पहली बार CSK बाहर निकल के भी किसी का भी गेम बदल सकता है.
Exactly. So, like, do you have any points to conclude this session, Bhavik?
According to me, I think MI, RCB, Delhi, and Punjab. This should be the top 4. And I want RCB to knock out and Sunrisers Hyderabad to come in because I want some good things to happen this season.
Yes, Vikyat. Now you can say.
Yeah. I just want Punjab to be in the top 4 because after Mumbai, that's my second favorite team because it's so exciting. The brand of cricket that they have played, it's amazing. And I don't know about Delhi. I'm really worried about Delhi. They can go out of the playoffs now, the way they are playing.
And also,
let's see how the scripts go out this year.
Being a CSK fan, I don't want MI to win this. They have already 4. If they win, they will get 5. I don't want MI to win. I want a new winner this year.
Just imagine Rohit lifting that trophy and BCCI snubbing him out of the Australian
back to back, you know. Oh my God. That's a different topic that we can discuss on another session, I guess. Yeah. So thank you guys. We had a wonderful session. It's going to be a very exciting matches coming up. So yeah, let's see you maybe at that time when we will be talking about playoffs and other things. So thank you guys. Thank you for being with us. Thanks.